Hello, my name is Lisa, Styles by Lisa, and welcome to my curl channel. Today I am sharing a big chop that I did a couple of weeks ago in the salon. It did really good on our Instagram channel, so I wanted to share it on our YouTube channel. This is my client that comes in from school about like every 3 months, and last year she did a big chop, so she came in again to cut her hair back down because she loved her cut, and we're doing a new color. There are different reasons why people would choose to do a big chop. Some people will choose to do it because they just want to get a new start and to get back on a journey to getting their hair healthy. And some people just like their hair short, or just want something totally different, especially like for the summer. It's a good time to do a nice natural shape and a color change. It keeps your natural hair exciting. If you're unsure about the style or shape that might look nice for you, a reference to find looks would be on Pinterest. We have a Pinterest page under my curl channel, but just in general, when people come to the salon and they're looking for a new look, I go to Pinterest and I'll pull up short cuts or medium length cuts and things like that, so that people can get some inspiration to help them decide what would look best for them. So I just wanted to put that out there. And when you're getting a color service, especially a permanent color service, you want to make sure that you maintain your hair by using good shampoos and deep conditioners weekly, sitting under a dryer to make sure that your hair doesn't dry out, because that could lead to breakage. A lot of people have bad experience with color, and so part of it could be the stylist actually not doing what they needed to be doing correctly, and then part of it is also how you maintain it at home. So it's good to do color on natural hair. It definitely adds to your look, and most people love color. It just is exciting, and it shouldn't be a scary thing to choose color. It's just knowing that you'll have to maintain it, and simply it is just maintaining it with good professional products that will keep the hair hydrated. So because of the tone level that she wanted, which is going to be like a high-lip blonde, I'm lightening her hair first, and then I will be applying the true color that she wants to her hair. If you want a light color and you have dark color hair, most of the time you will have to pre-lighten the hair in order to get the true level that you want to achieve. So after I pre-lightened her hair, I'm applying the gold color, and I'm going to let that process, and then I'll show you her final results. And for styling, I used our Moist Restore leave-in conditioner. I used our curl foaming mousse, and I used our extra curls, and I basically am using my fingers and the comb to kind of coil in to help to define her curls. And this is our results. Thank you for watching, and as always, please subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials.